tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Sibele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is.
Wula, Sharp Feruze, Mzansi, thank you for tuning in to Everything SADSki. You know, we bring you the latest sports updates, and this is one of your favorite channels, and that's quick to deliver news. But before we jump ahead on today's news, please make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn notification bell, leave your thought, comment down below the section, because El Rato never left the building. On this one today, we got you Orlando Pirates roll out the red carpet, 4-star with 41 goal contributions in 101 matches, and Orlando Pirates haven't been able to call on Relebohile Mofokeng's services as often as they like this season. However, he is back. The 21-year-old star winger is back in the Pirates squad to face Golden Arrows, Manqoba Mngcethi's side that has been doing quite well in the Carling Black Label Cup knockout, as well as in the Betway Premiership, where they taken Mamelodi Sundowns to a 1-0 loss and they won that game. Versatile youngster Simphiwe Selepe is also back in the fold. We all know which supporters have been crying about Selepe making his way back, but Mofokeng returns for Orlando Pirates. It's been in different seasons so far by really Mofokeng standards. The exciting number 10 winger has only made 6 league appearances and failed to either score or assist far. He's back in contention after missing recent match day squads, as is utility. The 20-year-old star Simphiwe Selepe. Mofokeng's overall record for Orlando Pirates is a stellar, directly contributing to 41 goals in 101 matches for the Sea Robbers. There could be reshuffling of the pack in match that kicks off a busy week, with the likes of Relebohile Mofokeng, Simphiwe Selepe nearing return after missing out on a fair bit of the action this season. An official Orlando Pirates statement read: next up in clash with with Golden Arrows, the first of 4 remaining league fixtures and 5 across all competition this year, between the match below against Richards Bay on 2 December and their next outing. Pirates have a whopping 53 days to wait until their next assignment, a trip to Sekhukhune on the 24th January 2026. And Wednesday 1st, they face Golden Arrows at 7:30, aired on DSTV channel 202. Saturday, which is November 8th, Richards Bay Pirates Cup, playing the Black Label knockout. 22nd November, Pirates vs Chippa United at 3:30. 29th November, Durban City vs Orlando Pirates away game. And Tuesday 2nd December, Richards Bay at 7:30. That's what's gonna be happening in Orlando Pirates recent matches. Please make sure you stay updated as Orlando Pirates kick off. From your boy Isaac Waisonice from Darwin Chumba.
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Sibele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is.